do a photo shoot with me. My sister.
I am the dummy that's doing the photo shoot.
We're using my Canon EOS R6 and I have a newer Vision 4 flash and the trigger and a reflector. So yeah, let's make it do what it do. Oh, okay. And we got some good wind going on. It's a beautiful day. All right.
Probably gotta be fast.
Probably gotta be fast. Yeah, let's see. All right. Okay, I'm gonna up the power. I think I have it. I'm not sure what I have it on right now. They threw their shoe over here. You know what? I don't. That sounds.
I said, how your shoe come off? It slipped off.
Yes. What are you wearing? Yes, girl. Why do you keep focusing on your head? Yes, girl. That girl. Yes. I don't even gotta direct you. Hold on, do it again. This would have been cool if you had a ring on it.
You scared me around.
You think I want to sit? Come on, dude.
Y'all need to do a picture. Y'all dressed alike.
I know. I'm gonna have to fix the lighting. Est fatigué. I love it. Sayo, baby. Who's on love? Sayo, baby. Remember that photo I had with Joycey facing here?
Yeah.
Ooh, Sayo, baby. Sayo, baby. I forgot I'm recording.
Look.
Alright. Back at it again, y'all.
Hey, y'all. A rose for a rose. Stop to smell the flowers. Watch me get into rotation.
She's a natural, y'all. Yes. Give them to me, girl. Yes. Woo. I love it. Yes. Ooh, I
my little sister, she's a natural at this. She makes you feel comfortable. She makes you feel pretty. And when you see the results, you about to get really giddy.
Yes, girl. Love it. This looks so good. Hold that. Yes. 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 See, this is people make this.
Hold on. Right.
Oh, girl. These are killer.
We about to get motherfucking visual. What? Visual? It's like the VBS. What's it called again? What's your
Oh, ViralVision
Oh yeah,
Creative.
ViralVision Creative. We about to get ViralVision Creator, viral to the T, millions of followers. Y'all get the fucking program. Y'all need to know what the vibes is because Natalie is about to take photo shoots to a next motherfucking